Hello, this is gonna be an unboxing video, so let's start. Okay, so we have it here. Ooh la la. This is the seal. Let's see. Okay, this is the stand, not a stand, dual direction mini extension rod. Okay, coming to that later. And this is the real stuff, 128 GB. 标准套装 oh business standard combo. Okay, this one has got its own seal or not? Oh yes, it has got. This is just nothing for some support, I guess. Open this one first, and in order to open we need to do this. Okay, it looks premium with the cover. The plastic is premium. Okay, seems nice for the moment. Okay, this is attached, and I don't know, maybe this will come out. Okay, I found it. Yeah, from there, and like this, a stand. Okay, now this one. This has got these things, so let's check. Okay, this one we have stuff, the accessories, the cable. This is a mount for a car. Okay. Let's start with this. Yeah, the car mount will go like this, like this, like this. Okay, we'll see it later. The cable for the charging and other stuff, type C. These are other accessories. This is the cover for Osmo is here for water, inside water filming and stuff. This is for the neck, for the chest one as well, and I'm excited to try these as well. And this one, let us check. Oh, this is for the cap, so this goes inside the cap and then we put it here, the camera. We will show it later as well. Okay, so all the accessories are done. Now it's the time for the main beast. The beast is here. Let us open it as well. Oh, This is just a magnet. Okay, so let us open this one. Ooh la la. Okay, and this is the screen. Do not use the multifunctional vision dock underwater. This vision dock support IPX4 splash resistance only when attached to the camera. Okay, understood. This is a bit on the heavier side being this small. Oh, now it is. Tighten the camera lens protective cover before taking in water. Okay, the camera lens should be protected. Okay, here is the one. Okay, let's turn it on. First we have to dock it. Oh, the magnet is there. Okay, here's a clip sound, and let's turn it together. 59% battery. Okay, English of course. Okay, some multifunctional vision dock. Press and hold to power on or off. Press once to take photos or record. Tap or swipe screen to operate. Cover the button. Multifunctional vision dock. Export UHS U3 micro SD card recommended. Okay.